dininay na yung motion for reconsideration ni Mayor Tumang. Now, ano po ang aksyon ng COA? Since nag-lapse na yung prescription period ng 6 na buwan, nag-request na siya ng reconsideration, then you have already rendered your decision, it has already been denied.
Magkano? 200 million.
Your Honor, ipaparnish po namin kayo ng copy nung net debt service ceiling and borrowing capacity po ng...
Hindi yung debt service ceiling, alam na namin yun. Sa local government code, it's always 20% of the regular income. So sinasabi namin dito, kasi nakalagay naman sa batas, regular income. So wag mong isasama doon yung irregular income. Alam ko yung regular at saka yung irregular. And do not add prospective income like tatanggapin mo sa IRA in about 4 years.
That's right.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito is the regular, not the expected, not the projected or potential income of the municipality. You understand that?
To ask question is the Honorable, my idol, Marcoleta. Please proceed.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Naitanong na lahat ni Congressman Pimentel yung meron lang naiwan na Mr. Chair, mga ilang bagay. During the time of COA Chairman Pulido, the result of the special audit were notices of disallowance were issued. The total amount is 149 million pesos. And there were people who were determined to be liable to restitute that to the municipality. Afterwards, during the time of the present dispensation, Chairman Cordova, so there is a variance of 66,500,000 plus. Is there any explanation to this, Mr. Chair? O tinatanong ko, umalis pa rito.
Sorry, pangangailangan lang po. My idol, Senator, I will
Okay.
give the
Anyway,
floor
there
to
is a
Chairman.
representative from COA here, Mr. Chair. Ano po yung paliwanag doon sa variance? Bakit po biglang from 149 million, ultimately ibinaba sa 82,500,000 na lang? Ibig bang sabihin, yung variance na 66 million plus eventually was allowed by COA? Yun po ba yung interpretation dito?
Your Honor,
COA.
Honorable Chair, may I
Yes.
answer? Yes, regarding the 149 million, sir, that is actually the total amount of the transactions that were the special audit team conducted a fraud audit.
Kaya nga.
And after that, they issue the disallowable transactions amounted to 82 million, sir. So that is why the 82 million comprising of 68 disallowances were the ones were the transactions that were found
Hindi nga,
irregular.
yung tanong nga, from 149 million, naging 82 million na lang, ito yung subject ng notices of disallowance. So what is the explanation for the 66 million? Masyado kasing malaki ito. Ano ba nangyari rito?
Your Honor, those transactions were not found to be irregular that would be tantamount to a disallowance.
So may mali doon sa 149 million.
Not necessarily, Your Honor. The 149 million were the total amount of the transactions that were fraud audited. But
Kaya nga, but
yes,
there was a letter as already articulated by Mr. Punsalan, the former chairman of COA, Pulido Tan, wrote a letter to Mayor Tumang to restitute 149 million to the municipality. So kung sinasabi mo na there is an oversight of 66 million, mali pala yung 149. Tama ba yung aming interpretasyon?
Your Honor, we are not privy of the alleged letter of the former chairman of the with Mr. Punsalan.
Well, anyway, nasa record naman ng committee yan. Pagkatapos nung ma-determine nyo yung 82 million plus na lang, there was a cash return of 43,367,000. Parang nagbayad sila. Is this correct?
Yes, Your Honor. The total amount refunded amounted to 43 million plus.
Kaya nga, 43,367,313 pesos 79 centavos.
Yes, Your Honor. Out of the 82 million, this is because some of the disallowances.
Kaya mo na. Yun na nga. Who from the liable persons under the several, I think more than 20 notices of disallowance, sino yung nagbayad dito sa 43?
We still have to, Your Honor, we still have to determine from our field office, from the
Hindi,
cashier.
yung member ng field, nandyan si
Yes,
Madam,
Ah,
andyan po
Senator
kayo.
Tibura is
member
present.
ng- Sino po yung nagbayad ng 43 million sa munisipyo?
Sir, I am a member of the special audit team, not the regular audit team. So
Okay. Ngayon, kayo po, member kayo sa COA ngayon? Nasa COA kayo? So nung magbayad yung, kung sino man ang nagbayad, kung si Mayor o several other people, baka dahil marami naman nang na-determine na liable person, siguro mga 6-7 rito, nagsama-sama ba sila para bayaran ito o isang tao lang ang nagbayad?
Sir, since the liability is solidary, sir, we can assume that they are all covered, sir. But
Wala ba tayong record kung sino talaga yung nagbayad? Para malaman naman namin.
we still have to determine, sir, from the office of the cashier. Yes, Your Honor. We will submit it after.
Please submit the names, who's paid, in the next hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then, okay, nung nagbayad, ano yung evidence na nakabayad talaga kung sino man yung nagbayad? From COA's standpoint, ano bang ginagawa niya? Halimbawa, nagbayad. How do you verify if that amount was really entered in the books of account of the municipality?
So, it will be audited by regular audit, sir.
Kaya nga, is there a regular auditor that can testify na talagang yung 43 million pumasok sa libro ng ng munisipyo and it became part again of the amount that can be appropriated for other services of the municipality? Kasi baka pinalabas nyo lang pumasok pagkatapos inalis uli. Hindi ganoon ang pinag-uusapan natin. Are you not bothered na hindi mo ba tinignan kung talagang ibinayad o hindi?
Your Honor, what we have are official receipts of the
Oo
payments.
nga, yung resibo, madali naman yan eh. Kahit si Congressman Pimentel pwede mag-produce ng resibo. Ang sinasabi natin, this committee would like to know kung talagang pumasok sa libro ng munisipyo. Importante yun eh.
Yes, Your Honor, we will determine actual payment, Your Honor.
O kailan natin may bibigay ang dokumento? This committee will not accept any explanation na ito yung resibo lang. Hindi po pwede yun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama? Dapat kayo eh, nakakaalam na nun eh. Pagkatapos, okay, 82 million, binalik yung 43, merong natirang 39 million, Mr. Chair. Ang problema sa 39 million, na-dismiss. Yung mga, there are 21, ilan ba yun? 29 cases eventually filed by the Office of the Ombudsman. They were summarily dismissed due to inordinate delay. Medyo nakakalungkot naman yun, although I'd like to find out later, Mr. Chair, what is the exact period? Or what is the parameter? What is the standard for the court to determine that there is already an inordinate delay? Because I have reviewed some jurisprudence on the cases of inordinate delay. Iba-iba eh. Iba-iba yung cases eh. Hindi naman, walang parameter talaga eh. So na-dismiss.
Honorable Marcoleta, would you like to ask that now?
Hindi mo na.
Ombudsman nandito.
Sinasabi ko lang kasi
Okay, proceed.
wala naman taga Sandigan Bayan dito, di ba? Oh, hindi, Sandigan Bayan. Sila lang makakapagpaliwanag kung ano yung inordinate delay. Ang nakakalungkot kasi, the 29 cases were all dismissed. Kasi daw yung ombudsman took them 3.5 years yata para i-file yung kaso sa ombudsman. Ay, sa Sandigan Bayan. So, the representative of ombudsman, nandito naman, Tony Rapanan, are you still there?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
While this is not reflective of the present dispensation, kasi kagaya ng sinabi ng chairman, hindi pa naman si Ombudsman Martires ang chair ang dito nung ginawa lahat itong mga ito. Kaya lang doon sa pagpapile, meron na ba kayong kinalaman doon nung filing na?
In view of the very brief instruction, Your Honor, this afternoon, is it we're talking about criminal case numbers SB 22 CRM 01520171, Your Honor?
We are referring to the 29 cases filed by the Ombudsman, Office of the Ombudsman, with regard to the 39,207,000 pesos. Ito yung natira dun sa pagkatapos bayaran daw ng sino man yung ibang amount na pinababalik ng COA sa kanila.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
If these are the cases subject of the 29, Your Honor, I think the formal complaint filed by the FAO was filed in August 2018, and for the conduct of preliminary investigation, and then the other one was December 2017. The transition in the Office of the Ombudsman occurred sometime in August 2018 when Justice Conchita Carpio Morales' term ended, and then came Justice.
Saan nagtagal? Dun sa panahon ni former Ombudsman Carpio Morales o sa panahon na ngayon? Saan nakita yung pagkatagal ng pagpe-prepare ng information to be filed with the Sandigan Bayan?
The whole proceedings straddled through the two dispensations, Your Honor.
No, pero saan sa palagay mo?
I think, Your Honor, it was during the pandemic time that the preparation, Your Honor, and all that occurred because of the lockdown from March 2020 onwards, Your Honor.
So yung panahon na yung present dispensation because of the pandemic, yun lang ang inyong accountable sa delay. Tama?
Yes, Your
The
Honor.
rest, panahon na nung nakaraan.
2019, before March 2020, Your Honor, that's the present dispensation, Your Honor, from August 2018 to the pandemic time, Your Honor.
There were about 5 or 6 officials of the municipality that were dismissed in relation to these cases. Mayor Tumang was not affected administratively because the doctrine of the Aguinaldo doctrine was applied to him. But the question is, okay, administratively, kalimutan na natin yun. But what happened with the amount of 39,207,000? It doesn't make sense kahit na ito ay na-dismiss. Pero yung 39 million, nahanapin pa natin. Hindi ba, Mr. Koa? Sir.
Koa, please answer.
Your Honor, the 39 were not found to be irregular. That is why there were only
Kaya nga, hanapin pa namin yung 39 million kahit na na-dismiss na yung cases because that is only the administrative aspect. 39 million, pera pa rin ng Mexico Pampanga ito.
Sir,
Anong gagawin natin dito?
may I
Mr. Bernardo,
clarify, sir?
recognize.
So, based on my summary of the notices of disallowance that we have issued, the 39 million that have not been settled all have a motion for reconsideration. So, and the decision for on the part of the Commission proper of the COA is for signature pa, sir. So, hindi pa po siya final since there is a pending motion for reconsideration. So, after that decision will be
At
finalized.
what level is the motion for reconsideration? Regional level or commission proper?
Per the Commission proper report that is also submitted to you, sir, the motion for reconsideration was already denied, but this decision is for signing of the Commission proper of our commission.
Teka, let us clear this because this committee received a reply from former COA Chairman Aguinaldo. According to Michael Aguinaldo, in his time as chairman of the commission, he disposed 21 ND cases
Yes, sir.
in Mexico.
Yes, sir.
The disposition is that he denied all the appeals.
Yes, sir.
21 yun, 21. That's between 2018 and 2021, as I recall the letter.
Yes, sir.
And according to him, tama naman yun, pagka yung appeal was denied, meaning the ND was upheld or affirmed by the commission proper, that means the commission will instruct the prosecution and legal division of your
Of the
COA
commission. Yes, sir.
to already proceed filing the cases with the ombudsman. That is the proper recourse, tama?
Yes, sir. So, this is a document from the Secretariat of the Commission.
Ito ba yung 39 million? Are
Yes,
we
sir.
talking about the 39 million
Yes,
now?
sir. This is under COA Decision 2019-423. From a document from the Commission Secretariat I obtained this morning, it says here that that there is the decision, but the MR was denied, thus affirming the NDs. And then there is also a statement that the case decision is for signature by the COA Commission proper members.
So,
Across this paper. So, the 39 million, still waiting for the signature of the...
yung 39 million, ilan dyan yung violation of Republic Act 3019 and malversation? Meron ba kayong categorization?
Sir, this is for this transaction pertains to construction materials. I am not aware of what kind of case was filed, but this pertains to the procurement of construction materials.
So, paano yun? From the standpoint of COA, and let us forget the criminal cases for a while. Are you not instituting steps to restitute the amount, this 39 million to the municipality?
Your
Ano
Honor,
bang procedure ninyo? Kasi
Yes,
denied
Your
na, di ba? So upheld na. So hayaan na natin yung prosecution and legal division of COA to proceed with filing with whatever criminal action that they might file. Pero yung 39 million, 207,000 has to be restituted to the municipality.
Your
Anong
Honor,
gagawin ninyo doon?
Your Honor, with your indulgence, can I just clarify the procedure of our
Okay.
special audit?
Yeah.
Your Honor, to distinguish, our special audit, fraud audit is distinct from the regular audit. That from our fraud audit, we conduct a fraud audit from the complaint, and then when the fraud audit report was prepared, that is the moment wherein we refer it to the ombudsman for further investigation. So from that moment onwards, we have already referred to the ombudsman for their preliminary investigation.
That's
So not
clarified.
the
Oh, malinaw na yun.
disallowance of the
Malinaw na yun.
disallowance.
So yung 39 million, anong gagawin natin?
The 39 million, Your Honor, is still pending before the commission proper right now because they have filed a motion for reconsideration.
So iba pa ito doon sa 21 cases of notices of disallowance na sinasabi ni
Yes, Your Honor.
former Chairman Michael Aguinaldo.
The 21 cases, Your Honor, were already rendered and decided by the commission proper.
Okay.
And the 39 million is a consolidation of several disallowances. So that is why it's taking time because other COA decisions already contained only one disallowance.
Meron bang motion for reconsideration sa COA proper?
Yes, Your Honor. There is a MR. Before the appellant will elevate it to the Supreme Court.
But under your own rules, you have only, I think, you have only 60 days.
Yes, Your Honor, 60 days to settle.
Kailan ba niya pinayag yung motion for reconsideration?
We still have to check, Your Honor, for the dates of the case.
Palagay ko, 2 years ago yung motion for reconsideration hanggang ngayon eh. Let us see kung talagang magagawa pa ninyo ng paraan yun. Wala naman ang Mr. Chair. Wag muna nating...
Anyway, Honorable Marcoleta, in the next hearing, we will invite those persons involved in the investigation, except dun kay Ms. Dubura na nandito na. We will invite the supervisor of the time, a certain Mr. Juliano, Alexander Juliano, and yung certain Desiree Aquino, who is also from the COA then, but now retired.
Your Honor, Ms. Desiree Aquino is already retired from the service and she is indisposed right now.
Okay.
But Assistant Commissioner Alexander Juliano is still with COA.
Okay, so we'll invite Assistant Commissioner Juliano.
May I proceed, Mr. Chair?
Please proceed.
Vice Mayor, earlier you said that there was a resolution authorizing the transfer or relocation of the present municipal hall to another area, and this was covered by Resolution 154-2022. This resolution was approved on January 27, 2023. Do you recall that? As a matter of fact, the excerpts of the minutes
Tama po,
was
Mr. Chair.
dated December 13, 2022.
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Pero sabi ng lawyer kanina, o ng chairman ng committee, nagkaroon daw ng public hearing. And they are prepared to submit documents to testify or to indicate that there were really public hearings held. Tama ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
But if you will have to check the Facebook of the Sangguniang Bayan of Mexico, Pampanga, there appears there, yung page ninyo,
Yes.
nakalagay doon, and I have the screenshot of that. You are calling the attention of the public and inviting them to attend a public hearing regarding the 950 million loan, prospective loan of the municipality for the purpose of relocating and building the market, convention center, etc., etc. To be held on March 29, 2023, which means that the public hearing came after the approval of the transfer. Do you have an explanation? You want to explain?
Yes.
Please wait to be recognized, then let Honorable Marcoleta
Sige.
finish.
Your Honor, I think yung post po nakita
Do
ninyo,
you think?
Your Honor, the
Kailangan
post,
siguruhin mo
yeah,
ito because
the post that you saw is,
this is your own.
yes,
I have a screenshot.